all, and welcome back. I hope you're all doing well. This is another quick update on Hedera. Some more things have been happening. The Hedera Metaverse plays are continuing to happen. South Korea social media giants Cyworld and HBAR Foundation have partnered. We will provide a metaverse environment in which our users could shop, use the bank and buy movie tickets, said Cyworld CEO 𝗟𝗜𝗡𝗏. Again, this is massive. This is another use case for Hedera. If you don't know, I do have a previous video on the channel about the South Bank of Korea are using Hedera to build their CBDC. They're taking it one step further. They've now partnered with this news outlet Cyworld. Not only are they building a CBDC with Hedera, they will be using Cyworld and its partnership with Hedera to help build the metaverse interaction with this CBDC and buying movie tickets and shopping and using their bank features. It's all unraveling at quite a pace, and again, this is massive news for adoption and utility within the Hedera network. If we look as well, again, I've shown this before, but if we look at the coin perspective, I wanted to touch on as well why Hedera has the potential to have massive price appreciation, potentially towards the upside of 74x here if we took the market cap of Ethereum, for example. One of the key things we'd look at going forward is consolidation of resources. Things like meme coins and coins with no utility are going to be pushed out of the market either by lack of adoption or use case, government regulation. Doesn't matter what it is. The resources will filter down and trickle into utility coins after regulation and the like hits. Not only that, after government regulation, it will be these coins with big use cases and structure like Hedera that the institutions will use to run things like pensions and retirement plans, and trillions and trillions of dollars will pour into the crypto industry, probably creating the 12th sector and the 25th industry of the S&P 500, for example. Not only that, we've got inflationary fears. The US dollar and world currencies will drop to low levels as the central banking system begins to embrace digital currency. HBAR is disrupting the inefficient crypto market. It is one of the most efficient cryptocurrencies that it currently exists. It has the potential to do so much. DeFi, dApps, CBDCs, distributed ledger technology, institutional integration. It is completely endless and it's infinitely scalable with finality, massive transactions per second. The list here is completely endless effectively. Not only that, you've got the Hedera Governing Council, global outreach, revolutionary companies in their industry, companies like Google, IBM, etc. All sorts, banks, manufacturers, supply chain, judicial financial institutions, all of them around the globe are sitting on this council and driving the change and effectively adopting Hedera and using its technology. Check out my previous videos on Google, for example. Plenty of rumours there, and I've got one more coming up in this video actually to do Google about their use cases on Hedera. Hedera also has the largest foundation, $5 billion within the crypto market. There's plenty of funds there to continue this scope for development. Not only that, 2022, I think this year will be the year. Hype the substance. Hedera has finally begun their marketing, and some of this budget is being unleashed to promote the Hedera network. You've got the smart contracts that have come in recently, 2.0, to help with the token service. They kind of mesh together. And then as well, Hedera or HBAR completely blows the competition away on carbon footprint compared to other coins. The energy uses per transaction is absolutely minuscule. It's not even close. Nothing really comes close to that. In fact, Hedera is carbon negative after you buy the carbon credits from the Dovu project, which utilizes the Hedera network. Now, some big information on that, actually. If you look, this was a post captured from LinkedIn, and Trinity Lloyd, the sustainability and energy transition leader for Google, has reached out to Justin Atwell, who's a developer advocate at Hedera, asking to connect about carbon chains. Absolutely massive. Again, this is another sort of quiver in the bow, effectively, for Google's involvement with Hedera. There is a nice page on Hedera's website about the Dovu project, but it's effectively a means to offset carbon footprint through the decentralized marketplace, and it's massive. Anyway, guys, I hope you sort of enjoyed watching this. I'll have some more videos coming up soon. Drop a like if you like this video, leave a comment if you have got something to say. See you all in the next one.